Okay, so today's lesson we're going to be adding and subtracting integers. This is going to be day one of integers, adding and subtracting. Monday and Tuesday we will look more at adding and subtracting integers. But for today we're going to look at it on a number line. I'm hoping this will make it a little bit easier, and then that way next week we can get away from the number line and just actually start adding and subtracting the numbers. So a couple of notes I put at the top. If you have a positive number, you're going to go to the right. If you have a negative number, you're going to go to the left. So this first one's already done for us. It's negative 3 minus 4. So if we look at them separately, we have negative 3, and then we have negative 4. So we start at 0. We went negative 3 first. We went to the left because it's negative. And then negative 4, we went to the left again, which is where we get the negative 7. So this next one, we have negative 3 minus 5. So again, look at the first number, it's negative. So we'll start at 0. We're going to go to the left 3. And then we have negative 5. So again, we're going to go to the left 5. And so you can see that we land at negative 8. Okay, number 3, 6 minus 2. So again, we'll look at the first number, 6. 6 is positive, so we're going to go to the right. And then we cover up the next part. So we see negative 2. Negative, we go to the left. So we're going to backtrack from 6 and go to the left 2. So now we get the answer of 4. Okay, so this next one, 5 minus 6. So again, we have 5. 5 is positive. There's not a sign in front of it, so that means it's positive. So we'll start at 5. We'll go to the right 5. And then we cover up the next number. We have negative 6. So negative will go to the left. So from 5, we'll go to the left 6 spaces, which lands on negative 1. Okay, so our next one, negative 3 minus 3. So we cover up our negative 3. We'll go, start from 0, go left 3. Cover up our next 3. It's going to be negative 3. So we're going to go 3 more. And so we're at negative 6. Okay, so what happens when we have a double sign? So let's first look at the 5. 5 is positive. So go to the right 5 spaces. Okay, and we have a double negative. So it's a, we see a minus, a negative. Since it's a negative and a negative, that's going to turn into a positive. So it turns into a positive 3. So we'll go at 5 and then go up to the right 3 spaces, so we land at 8. Okay, so again, negative 8. Start at 0. Negative is the left. Okay, we'll cover up the next part. So again, in minus a negative 7. So we can't have two negatives, because a negative and a negative is going to make a positive. So if I were to go negative 7, I'd be off the chart. And there's no numbers here, so that's why I can't go to the left. I'm going to have to go back to the right. So we're going to go start from 8 and go to the right 7 spaces. And then we end up at negative 1. Okay, so what happens if we have a positive and a negative? So it's 0. Okay, well, if I'm at 0, I just stay at 0. So I'm not gonna move direction. 0 means we don't move. But if I cover it up, we have a plus and negative 4. Well, if I'm gonna have a positive and a negative, that's gonna turn into one big negative sign. So when I cover up again, it says minus 4. So we're just going to go to the left because minus and negative, we go to the left. And so our answer is -4. Okay, so I want you to try these two by yourself, and then we'll see how you do.